chair make you noble? Yes, it does. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Noblechair stand at Computex 2019. I found Jonas. How you doing, buddy?
Quite okay. Just lost my voice a little bit because of aircon and the weather here. So
and a lot of beers in the background. They got their own beer tap, which is nice. That must make the work a little bit easier. But back to the chairs. So ladies and gents, like I said, we're at the stand and we got a lot to cover because Noblechairs have brought out a brand new range called the Nitro.
And say this is his brand, so to speak. So Noblechair usually is the peak performer materials and everything, and Nitro is really price performance, bang for the buck product range, so to say.
Like straight out the back, I'm loving what you're doing with the colors and especially the digital camo. That must be a hot seller, I can imagine.
It's very interesting that actually for the colors, it's very region specific. Like some regions, this camo is actually the most sold model. Other regions, maybe red, black.
Let me try one of these bad boys out quickly. Wow, that does feel good. Yeah, very similar to the Noblechair in terms of comfort. It's awesome. Let me try this guy over here. So these are the same model, just different colors. And then that's got a different finish. I'm loving that. What do you guys think of the designs? Let us know in the comments below. Loving the look and feel. And there's a desk over here.
One version is electrically height adjustable, and the other version is just manually adjustable ones.
Holy shitballs, it's moving.
Exactly. So this will be actually also a very, very well-priced electric desk and normal desk. It comes with a huge mouse pad to cover the whole desk. It's a bit crazy.
This is genius, dude. In fact, Neil, I think I need one, buddy. This is the solution. I just want to try this out quickly. Look at this. How swish is that?
So actually one very interesting thing that we have is this actually, it looks like the Epic, it actually is the Epic, but it has a new cover material, a PU-PVC mix that's made in Germany. It's super soft. Yeah, exactly.
I know that word.
It has a feeling of like a kind of like a Napa leather, but at the
same Napa leather, yeah.
But at the same time, it's actually very easy to take care of.
What's the name of this one again?
That's a good question. It has no name yet.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you name it the Danger? I'll let you guys coin that phrase.
Okay.
Hey?
If we pick the name, I'll send you one.
Better. You bet. It's beautiful. Let's have a look in the front there. We saw some more chairs.
Here, a model that we did in collaboration with Mercedes Benz AMG Petronas Motorsports. So it's a special version approved by their design team. We use some carbon PU materials there that we don't use in other chairs, a bit more aggressive design.
It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Jeez, look at this thing. Yes. This is my one at home.
Yeah, you can compare. I mean, you will see it actually the other one. It feels like even more like the Napa leather. It's this PVC mix is crazy. I'm not sure it's a good idea to sit there. I'm not sure this was the podest was not built. It was built by Taiwanese engineering here, Germany, so I don't know.
It felt like I was sitting at home in my office for a second. Beautiful. And over here?
Well, we have a lot of branded editions.
Yeah.
We just took them here to show what's actually possible.
You guys have come so far in terms of just your designs, your desks, you know, like all the stuff that you guys are doing. Very impressive. Nitro looks phenomenal. But I'll tell you what, before we say goodbye, we can go tap a beer together. As per German tradition. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Noblechair at Computex 2019. Jonas, thank you so much for your time, buddy. As per German tradition, I'm going to thank you properly with the cold cling of the glass there.
Prost.
Is it, how do you say Durst?
Prost.
Prost. Prost.
Zum Wohl.
Zum Wohl.
Yeah, it means like,
shit, what does it mean?
Like
good times ahead, for health. Check out Noblechair's range on Evetech's website. All this stuff should be available in South Africa very soon. You don't want to miss it. Cheers again. Prost.
Prost.
Prost.